Hi, this is Camille. I am the co-founder of InkFinance. InkFinance is the best DAO management toolset in the market. It enables all kinds of Web3 organizations to establish their governance economy, manage internal finance, and connect with DeFi investors everywhere through a no-code user experience. As a financial SaaS built on blockchain, InkFinance has the most comprehensive financial engineering tools to support on-chain issuance, clearing, risk control, and data analysis of a new class of DeFi product. Why does the Web3 need InkFinance? The current landscape of DAO management tools is fragmented. Although DAO-related dApps are prolific, they are only partial answers to the big challenge. For example, Snapshot is for proposing and voting, Colony is used to assign roles and coordinate work, Syndicate is built for small investment clubs totally unable to support financial DAOs to issue product or perform robust risk management. None of them is an all-in-one toolkit, allowing 100% on-chain execution, nor managing internal treasury, controlling risk in fundraising. Furthermore, the collapse of FTX will surely bring regulations to the crypto world. How do you ensure that your users are from allowed regions? Can you afford to close your business when the regulator challenges your compliance? As an investor, do you blindly trust a DeFi product? InkFinance is the one-top solution to answer such challenges, with the convenience of plug-and-play and the power of unmatched features. Our team is a perfect blend of TradeFi leaders, fintech engineers, and crypto veterans. We've played great parts in transforming TradeFi in the Web2 era, and we are set to play a bigger part in reshaping financial operations in the Web3 era. Tony Tan is the CEO and founder of InkFinance. He has over 2 decades of trading and asset management experience, served as MDs in Deutsche Bank, Citigroup, Bear Stearns, and many other top financial institutions. He has deep theoretical insights, battle test experience, and stellar track records in the global financial industry. He's an expert in securitization, derivatives, asset management, and fintech VC. He is a firm believer of blockchain and AI. Dan is the Director of Financial Architecture. He is a Senior Architect of Large Financial and Enterprise Systems, a Senior Soft Engineer, a proven tech leader at various technology and financial institutions such as IBM, Fidelity, and Pearson. His specialty is distributed network, heterogeneous financial systems, and project management. I myself is a co-founder and head of BD in InkFinance. I've come from a background of international business development and a crypto influencer. I have been in the crypto industry since 2017, helping incubate crypto projects at Longhash. I'm also a blockchain YouTuber with the backing of very successful crypto projects, institutions, and exchanges. Andy Profit is our Chief Brand Officer. With his solid experience with both Fortune 500 companies and startups, Andy leads the branding efforts for InkFinance, bringing his hands-on abilities to the project. He was a director of products at Walt Disney. InkFinance reflects our motto: finance is built on credit, and credit is competence. It enables a DAO to efficiently organize itself with meta and sub-DAO constructions and highly customizable management committees. Strengthen its financial management with security and competence. Spread its reputation and credit profiles across chain. Explore and reach DeFi investors everywhere. Specifically related to finance, Ink provides fully integrated and transparent fiscal and treasury management procedures. Professional asset management tools like issuing bespoke financial products, KYB or KYC, asset packaging, fundraising, and risk control. DAO members can also make investments through their elected managers with their identity verified by preferred systems. Metaverse or GameFi DAOs can raise capital from other networks and keep their financial health transparent. InkFinance protocol is a smart contract factory. It creates your own operational contracts on your preferred network, execute your resolutions on-chain, and allows you to manage your own multi-asset vaults. As the next-generation DAO tooling platform, Ink vertically integrates coherent governance and financial functions. It provides a true plug-and-play experience for DAOs to evolve at their own pace. With the Treasury Committee, you can perform on-chain fiscal duties involving multi-assets. The Community Unit provides transparent incentive management and provides the balance of power between all members. The Investment Committee is armed with fund admin, compliance, risk management, and clearing tools. With the Funding Committee, a DAO can issue bespoke fundraising products that can be verified and cleared on-chain. All of those management units are pluggable, which allows a DAO to pick and choose according to its mission, scale, and stage of growth. Right now, the Treasury function and investment function are available for beta testing on BNB Smart Chain, Avalanche, Polygon, and Ethereum testnet. The most critical features of Ink Finance are unmatched and reviewed in the current Web3 space. All pluggable committees can have their managers verified for identity and background. Ink Finance requires minimum social identity verification for any DAO manager, but it provides more strict alternatives, such as biometric identity and legal identity verification schemes. A DAO can choose from these alternatives for the level of integrity and compliance suitable for its mission. All the pluggable units can control their own multi-asset vaults. They are 100% set up on-chain, and the control rules are enforced by the base framework with total transparency. The ability to execute the most critical resolutions on-chain is one of Ink's key features. It closes the loophole between decision-making and decision execution. These loopholes are inherently risky and exploitable if your management is put together with individual dApps, which is the situation of today's DAO management. Ink's treasury management features a comprehensive set of functions such as periodic payroll, one-time payment batches, DAO-to-DAO transfers, and auditable revenues. The investment and funding functions feature investment funds and financing products with one-stop connection to KYC, KYB facilities to fulfill compliance requirements. This video is showing an investment admin setting up a fund for his DAO. There is no more the need to choose from all kinds of dApps that are hard to be integrated into one safe management structure. Ink Finance allows DAOs to balance the voting power between pure financial stakeholders and community contributors. The stake-to-govern method reflects the principle that every member must have skin in the game. This method also raised the barrier against Sybil attacks. Any sub-DAO of a large ecosystem can set up its own badge and requires only holders of the badge can vote. Such badges are usually earned or assigned based on NFTs or other value metrics. This is an effective way of resisting whale attacks and preserving community value. Ink Finance has formed partnerships across DeFi, Metaverse, VC, crypto asset managers, and Web2 fintechs. We enable them to achieve transparency, security, and compliance in their financial operations on blockchain. MirrorWorld is a blockchain-based gaming platform. They have implemented their governance hierarchy, treasury management, and financial tools with Ink standards to create its multifunctional MirrorWorld Matrix token. Soap Finance is an early investor and close partner of Ink Finance. It invented a bespoke income voucher instrument. Soap was able to leverage Ink asset management tools to enable more DAOs to issue these instruments. In addition, Soap will also use Ink's hierarchical configuration to make its own operation compliant. In the real economy domain, new assets such as carbon credit and e-commerce assets can take full advantage of DAOs and tokenization. Ink is partnered with Draper Dragon, DigiFT, HKBTEX, and Polytrade to do just that. Quail is the native token of Ink Finance. It is a governance utility, fee capture, and publicity-owned incubation asset. While all DAOs running on Ink govern with their own tokens, they are required to stake a certain amount of Quill tokens to turn on all the features. When a DAO stakes the Quill tokens, it earns the staking reward and have the governance rights. So it is both a user and an owner of Ink Finance at the same time. What if a DAO doesn't want to buy and stake the turnkey? Then any Quill holder can be its sponsor and stake on its behalf. The sponsor can negotiate any revenue sharing with the DAO as a staking rent. This rent becomes the sponsor's extra income. Public sponsors can be assured they are protected by the on-chain execution of their roles in the DAO's management framework, so that both sponsor and the DAO can transparently enforce their financial and control relationships. Ink facilities charge transaction fees for the issuance of fund product or bespoke product. It also charges asset management fees if there is no issuance and clearing. The Ink economy system is the substrate your main and sub-ecosystem operate on. You can avoid wasteful investment in building your own management system. As a user, you can own a piece of Ink Finance to use it and govern it. It is a truly innovative SaaS model, where the users are also the owners of software. It's like a startup buying office real estate or machinery to run its business. If it doesn't succeed, the startup can simply liquidate those assets to recapture or even gain appreciation on the capital investment. Here is our roadmap. In July 2022, Ink released the beta version for public testing, including multi-chain implementation, DAO creation with hierarchy, decision-making, and treasury management. In December 2022, Ink added more treasury management functions and investment management setup. We will integrate the staking and economy system, KYC components on all EVM testnet and launch on Solana testnet in the first quarter of this year. Then we will complete Reg D and Reg S public token sale and launch on Avalanche mainnet at the same time. By the end of quarter 2, Ink will be launched on BSC, Polygon, and Ethereum mainnet with the community management delivered. By the end of this year, funding management and cross-chain functions will be released on all testnet. Thank you.